Even in the world's most demanding environments, efficiency and safety are non-negotiable. Introducing IE6 SynRM Increased Safety. The world's first Zone 1 ready IE6 motor joins ABB's elite motors specifically designed for hazardous areas. Combining robustness, outstanding efficiency, and reliable operation, SynRM delivers the highest levels of performance and uptime, with instant savings reducing total cost of ownership. Even with a more compact footprint and reduced maintenance, compliance matches the rest of the motors for hazardous areas in every respect, so you can rely on fully certified safety in the harshest operating conditions, protecting your people and processes while powering efficiency and boosting productivity. Motors for hazardous areas, where hyper-efficiency and unmatched performance meet uncompromising safety. ABB, engineered to outrun.